We're going to cross to the court. Talk to our reporter, Carys Garland. Carys, the trial once again underway there. Has anything happened as yet, as it were, and what can we expect during the day?
Well, we've heard public prosecutors this Tuesday morning ask that several of these defendants serve 12 years in prison. They're charged with the aggravated rape of Gisèle Pelicot. That's what most of these 51 defendants are facing. And we had been on the lookout to see whether public prosecutors would try to tailor the sentences for all of these defendants. On Monday, for example, 10 of them accepted Dominique Pelicot's invitation to go to the house to partake in sex with his unconscious wife, one of them going to the household 6 times. But there has been no huge variation in what prosecutors are asking for in terms of sentences. On Monday, many of them, they asked that they serve 10 years in jail, while another man who's accused of the lesser charge of sexual assault, they asked that he serve 4 years in jail. The defense lawyers say that they're shocked by this and they find that these requests are disproportionate, but on the contrary, feminist groups, some of them protested outside of the court on Monday for the occasion of the International Day to End Violence Against Women. They said that this wasn't harsh enough. They said there's no rape for half price, calling for all of the defendants to go to jail for 20 years, the maximum penalty, as you said. And one more thing to note that's happening as prosecutors make these sentencing requests, they're also summarizing the main arguments of the defendants, which tend to center around the fact that they believed that Gisèle Pelicot was in fact consenting, that she was pretending to be asleep as some part of sex game, but the prosecutors say that there's no way that these men could have really believed that she gave her consent and that she was in no state to do so, citing video evidence saying that these men seem to have taken steps to prevent her from waking up.
And as you say there, Carys, 20 years is the maximum sentence, but that's certainly what's been suggested for Gisèle's husband, Dominique Pelicot, former husband.
Exactly. So this is no surprise given the fact that Dominique Pelicot had admitted to all of this, which, as a reminder, is over a period of about 10 years, drugging Gisèle Pelicot, raping her, and then enlisting strangers online to rape her as well. The lawyers of Gisèle Pelicot on Monday did not make any statement to the press, but Gisèle Pelicot had said previously that the goal was not to collect sentences of these men and just that justice should be done. This wish was something that she repeated on Monday as she walked through this courthouse, calm but determined, assured. And once prosecutors finish these sentencing requests, which is expected this Tuesday night, we are expected to hear the defense lawyers give their closing arguments in this trial, starting on Wednesday afternoon with the lawyer of Dominique Pelicot. His lawyer says that this will be an opportunity for her to shine a light on aspects of his character that the prosecution hasn't focused on.
Carys, thanks very much. Carys Garland, our reporter there at the court for us in Avignon.